Get it, Moonlight. Get it, Moonlight. Get it, Moonlight. Get it, Moonlight. Oh. Ah! What's good, everybody? It's your boy Starter Leon, and you are watching The Hill Tricks. Peace, happiness, love, understanding, happiness. Oh, let me sage you, because you need some sage. Everything high vibrational. Period. Just gonna let this sage burn over here. Yes. This quarantine, I finally got me a pet. Well, I don't got me a pet, but I'm kitten sitting. So I got the cat for 6 days. Actually got her for an extra day. And yeah, I'm happy as fuck for real, because I always wanted a pet. So I'm doing this video because I think it's just so crazy, because my cousin, she had called me like, okay, my friend needs somebody to kitten sit. And I was like, I'm down, like I can do it, basically. And the day before that, I had a screenshot of this picture, and it said, the Europeans had made it seem like black cats were evil, but they really are not evil. Like, they just portrayed them as that, and they actually keep the evil away. So it was so crazy how I screenshotted that picture the day before, and then the next day she called like, you trying to kitten sit? What? That was meant to be. It ain't crazy, it's meant to be. So yes, basically I'm just gonna share with y'all, like, you know, how we play. What if I run up on you like that? What if I run? You ain't gonna win. What impact she's had on me was, well, she was supposed to leave today, but the owner said he needed one more day. And I ain't even gonna lie, y'all, like last night I was crying. I cried it out a little bit because I was really sad. Like, she was just sitting on my lap while I was doing my work, while I was writing out my plans for the day and watching my inspirational videos. And yeah, just spilling the tea for real. So, ouch. Y'all can't even see, she be scratching. So I'm also show y'all some real cute pictures of her, some cute videos of her too, you know, doing cat shit. Moonlight, moonlight, moonlight. Your eyes are literally changing colors. And you know you're trying to run back up on me. And now you trying to run back up on me. But for what? But for what? But for what? But for what? Why? What's the problem? What's the reason? Tell me the reason. Moonlight.
She's running up.
Take your time for you grow in love. Find yourself a peace of mind for you.
Oh, you okay?
You've been hurt so.
But yes, y'all, I'm really happy to have her, and she brings me joy. I love you, mamas. I love you, Moonlight. That's my baby, y'all. Oh, I love you, Moonlight. Moonlight, you are my moonlight. You are my moonlight. So I got her toys. She'd be like in my yoga block. She like to climb. She like to like scratch them. or whatever. So I got her yoga blocks right there. She just now figured out about this thingy thing. It's just like a little decoration. Get it, Moonlight. Get it, Moonlight. Get it, Moonlight. There you go. There you go. There you go. Don't let it win. Don't let it win. Don't let it win. Don't let it win. Yup, there you go. Just like I taught you. Just like I taught you. Moonlight really likes me. And by the way, I don't know what her owner named her, but I named her Moonlight because it just came to me. I come up with creative names like that. But her name is Moonlight, period. So she really is like just a great companion to have. Like, she just be, when I be laying down, she'll just get up in the bed or get up on the couch and she'll just cuddle with me. Like, she like just walked up here, moved my phone out the way, and just laid right here. Like, y'all, how am I gonna give her back tomorrow? Like, oh my God, this is my baby, this is my baby.
I was there, and you were my baby. It's like when we were.
Like, it be so crazy. Like, I ain't never had that happen before, so it just be, it's all so new. Get the shot, mom, get the shot. Yeah, she's like really a great pet. Don't get me wrong, like, she be bad. Like, when I tell her not to do stuff, she still do it. Moonlight. Moonlight, why is that okay to do? Moonlight, what are you doing? Why do you think that's okay to do? You gonna bite me like that? Why you bite me? Why you? Come on, girl. Moonlight. Moonlight. Come on, girl. Ooh. Moonlight. You my mother. Moonlight. We get lit. We take flicks. We take pics. We take vids. We get lit. We take pics. We take vids. I tell her not to do stuff, she still do it, but I mean, she's a pet, you know. I'm just really grateful to really have this experience with her and just even be able to have her for 6 days. Like, it was definitely meant to be, so I'm happy. I really don't want her to go. I really want to keep her for real, but I know I can't do that. So, yeah. I just got to enjoy this experience.